Welcome to N for Madison. I'm super happy because I got a new LOL doll. And I can't help it. I just like them too much. Okay, it says we are back and I'm going to undo it. I'm super excited. We just got home from Target to pick it up. So it's
Why did you get to have that?
because
What did you win?
I won my gingerbread contest for my school. And my teacher said, I hope she wins for me. And guys, I bet you haven't even noticed, but I lost my tooth a different morning. I lost 4 teeth. I lost one well, I didn't lose one. I took my tooth, got pulled out of the store by me. I pulled it out. I was playing with it. And at home, my mom pulled it out, and at the dentist, someone pulled it out, and my mom pulled it out this one again. Okay, so let's start opening. And I got money. 20 money.
That's a lot of money.
I thought I was going to get 10 because it said that, but I'm getting 20. Okay, let's start opening. So it says to open right here, so let me do that. That was short. Come on. Oh, it's pink ball. It's pink. It's pink. My favorite color is pink. If you haven't even know that my favorite color is pink, then my favorite color is pink. I'm super happy. I got a pink ball. Get out then! Look, it's pink and gold. I have so many LOLs. So, look at this girl. She's like Cruella de Vil because she has white hair and black. Okay. I got it. I already see some confetti.
Okay, pull the string.
No, I know how to open this. Look. Wait, first I'm going to open the surprises. So
You don't want to pull the string and make it explode?
No, first I want to see the surprises.
You will. But you got to pull the string.
But the surprises are in here.
Just trust me.
Okay. Wait, I can open the doors already. Fine, I'll just pull this. Ooh. What is that? Is that
Okay,
really?
no, let's not dump all this confetti.
Okay, I'll put this back in. There isn't really much confetti.
Good.
There's the other one. Oh, no! What? What is this? Party? It says party. Party! Okay. Ooh, let's see what this is. Oh, so cute. It's like for her head. Oh, hello. Oh. Oh, no. No, 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 no.
Looks like Janae. How cute.
Yeah, my friend, but this is not what her hair looks like. Okay. A trunk. She has like white sleeves. How do I get this? Can you help me? Wait, I got it. I got it. Oh, I don't got it. Don't pause the video. Oh, look at this head. Look at this confetti. Let's put it back. Ah, that's a big boo-boo. Guys, look. Look, she has like purple here on the side and pink on the side. I like it. I wonder what that is, but...
There's nothing in there. It's just a device to make it pop open.
But when I do this, all the confetti will come.
Where's all the rest of the surprises?
I know. Just gotta open this and there. See, because I opened one of these before. Look at this bottle. Anything else? Nope. Let's open this side. Whoa, what's in this one? These are shoes. Let me see what kind of shoes they would be. Ew, these are cute. Can you see them? They're shoes. And let's get this. I had to open it. I'm silly. I was just joking. Whoa. Confetti. What is this? Oh yeah, it's her dress. Or her outfit. Wait, let me take it out. Look at this. It's cute. Have any more surprises? Well, I guess that's it. But don't leave. Let me just get her dressed. You don't have to stop recording, okay, Mom? Oh, her shoe came on. Where's her other shoe? This looks so cute. Okay, guys, I'm done getting her dressed. Look how cute she looks. Do you want to see her hair? Look. Light purple and light pink. Okay, hold on. Thanks for watching. Bye.